Hello everyone. I thought I'd make a YouTube video while I'm at my parents'. I'm going back to my flat tomorrow. Yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video. There's a site called Top Cashback. This isn't a paid promotion or anything, I'm just doing it myself. I'll post a link in the description. If you download the app, you can earn cashback when you shop online. But you must, and when I say must, it'll mean that you have to go onto the Top Cashback site online instead of on the app, otherwise you won't get your cashback. And then it'll tell you to different cashback different cashback offers of where you want to shop. So just download or type in Top Cashback on your search engine, and then I'll leave a link in my description, and that should take you to a site where you can sign up. But yeah, you can. I've started to earn Top Cashback today. I've just bought a new pair of trainers, stuff like that. I'll probably continue to use it in the future for online, like getting shorts and trousers or jeans. You can get stuff off at Matalan for free. Well, not for free, but for a discounted price. And then you get cash back into your account. It does send you an email to your account once you sign in with your email. If any kids are watching this, you can ask your parents about it, stuff like that. It's mainly targeted towards a mature audience anyway, people who have money to spend for new stuff. But yeah, I just thought I'd make this quick video. I'll be posting more songs on soon, hopefully. My mental health has been a bit shaky over the past few days, so there are big meetings and stuff, but I will be trying to upload as soon as possible, mainly on when I'm back in my flat. I just came down to my parents for the weekend, and I'm just making this video from my room. But yeah, Top Cashback, type it in on the internet, sign up. If you've not got your own money, ask your parents. Your parents can download it if you've not already got it, but I will leave a link to my code in the description. Like I say again, this isn't a paid promotion. But yeah, thank you, and I shall hopefully see you all soon.